Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to send a WhatsApp message without saving number. Unfortunately, it is not currently possible to send a WhatsApp message without saving the recipient's phone number in your contact first on your mobile application. WhatsApp requires that you have the recipient phone number saved in your contact in order to send them a message. However, you can still send a WhatsApp message without saving number but not using the WhatsApp application. So, in this video, you're gonna learn how to send a WhatsApp message without saving number. So to do that, first you need to open your Google Chrome right here. And in here, you can just type the following. You can also use other Google or browser application on your mobile device if you like to. So I'm gonna use first a Google Chrome browser. And in here, I'm just gonna type https double colon then double slash, and then I'm gonna type WA for shortcut of WhatsApp, then dot ME, and then another slash, and in here you're gonna use your country code. In Philippines, we are using the country code 639, and then we will gonna post a number here. So I'm gonna post 639-5576-68875. Then you're just gonna tap go here, and you can see now your WhatsApp website, and you can see the chat on WhatsApp with positive 639 here and the number, and then tap continue to chat. It will automatically be moved to your WhatsApp application, and you can see now the phone number on your WhatsApp. It is not saved on my WhatsApp application, but you can now chat this number. Example, I'm gonna chat her or him. Like I'm say, hi, how are you? I hope you feel better. So you can see now that I can send a WhatsApp message without saving a number. So that's how to do that. That's how to send a WhatsApp message without saving a number. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you on my next tutorial.